$500. That's the number that changes everything. Not because it's life-changing money, but because it proves something most people never prove to themselves, that they can make money outside of a paycheck. According to a 2024 Bankrate survey, 36% of Americans now have a side hustle, and the majority started with less than $100 in tools or investment. So if you've been waiting for some secret formula, here it is, and you can hit your first $500 in the next 30 days. Step 1. Stop trying to do everything. The biggest mistake beginners make is spreading themselves across 5 platforms and 10 ideas at once. Pick one skill-based service you can deliver this week. Writing, editing, data entry, social media management, basic graphic design. These are the highest demand, lowest barrier categories on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be slightly better than someone with zero experience, because that's who you're actually competing against. Step 2. Build a profile that sells outcomes, not skills. Most beginners write, "I am a hardworking freelancer looking for opportunities." Nobody hires that. Instead, write what the result looks like for the client. I help small business owners turn messy spreadsheets into clean, usable reports in 24 hours. Specific, outcome-focused profiles convert faster because clients aren't buying your time. They're buying a solved problem. Step 3. Take the first job, even if it pays less than you want. This is where ego kills momentum. Your first client isn't about the paycheck, it's about the review. A 5-star review and a testimonial are worth more than the $20 or $30 you might earn from that first gig, because reviews are the currency that unlocks higher-paying clients later. Research from Upwork's own Freelancer Trends report consistently shows that profiles with even 3 to 5 reviews see dramatically higher response rates from new clients. Step 4. Use AI tools to multiply your output. This is the unfair advantage beginners in 2026 have that didn't exist 5 years ago. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut let one person do the work that used to take a small team drafting content, designing graphics, editing video in a fraction of the time. That means you can take on more clients without working more hours, which is exactly how you stack from your first $10 to your first $500. Step 5. Reinvest. Don't withdraw. When that first real payment hits $50, $100, the temptation is to spend it. Don't. Put it back into a slightly better tool, a course, or simply more time prospecting for the next client. Compounding doesn't just work in investing, it works in skill building and reputation too. Here's the truth nobody tells beginners. The first $500 is always the hardest, and always the slowest. The second $500 comes faster, the third, faster still. Not because the platform changes, because you do. You stop being someone who's trying to make money online, and you become someone who already has. So pick your one skill, build that outcome-focused profile, and take the next 48 hours to land your first client. The $500 mark isn't a finish line. It's proof you've already started.